Welcome to the tutorial for the AED simulation Medical Rescue Sim AED. Pressing the power button activates the AED. Holding it down for an extended period turns off the monitor and resets the settings. Once the therapy electrodes are attached to the training mannequin, confirm this by pressing the Patches button.
Press Analyze button.
In manual mode, the Analyze button initiates the evaluation of the derived ECG signal. If a shockable rhythm is detected, the simulator allows the delivery of a shock. Every 2 minutes, another analysis prompt will occur. In addition to the rhythm curve, the following information is displayed: the monitor's name, the total treatment duration, a real-time clock, the current heart rate, a 2-minute analysis countdown, and the number of shocks delivered. On the left-hand side, the monitor's battery level and the connection type with the remote control app are shown. The button with the sound symbol activates the metronome for maintaining the correct chest compression rate. If a compatible feedback device is connected, the graphic real-time display of compression depth will also appear here. Pressing the Info button in the upper left corner opens a quick guide and provides further information about the app. The gear icon next to it leads to the simulator's basic settings, which are retained even after exiting the program. The monitor and remote app must be set to the same name, AED 1 to 10, and the same connection mode to enable automatic pairing. The language for voice prompts and app displays can be switched between German and English. The ECG display and an additional QRS tone can be optionally enabled. The metronome for correct compression rates can also be pre-configured as desired. 3 AED operating modes are available. In manual mode, the Analyze button is visible, and both the analysis and shock delivery must be manually operated by the user. In semi-automatic mode, the AED automatically starts the analysis every 2 minutes, but shock delivery remains manual. Fully automatic mode takes over shock delivery as well, following a prior warning prompt. A compatible Bluetooth feedback device can be selected and registered here, enabling the compression depth display on the monitor. This can also be toggled between child and adult settings. 5 initial rhythms are available for selection: sinus rhythm, asystole, PEA, PVT, and ventricular fibrillation. You can also set the number of shocks required for defibrillable rhythms to convert to a sinus rhythm. The optional remote control app Medical Rescue Sim AED Remote offers a highly realistic and convenient simulation experience. The upper section mirrors the display and buttons of the connected monitor. 8 pre-programmed scenarios are available, as well as 8 additional customizable scenarios, complete with pre- and post-shock rhythms and specific shock parameters. All user actions are logged with timestamps for debriefings and examination situations. Comments can be added via dedicated buttons, and reports can be printed using AirPrint-compatible printers. The CPR button overlays the ECG rhythm with a chest compression curve. In conjunction with feedback devices, it provides a detailed timeline of chest compression performance. In the lower section, you can select the desired pre- and post-shock rhythms from a set of 30 ECG waveforms. The placement of defibrillation electrodes can be confirmed remotely, and the corresponding button on the AED monitor can be hidden for added realism. Above the red lightning symbol, you can set the number of shocks required before a rhythm conversion. A dash here indicates that no conversion will ever occur. Additional information about Medical Rescue Sim AED and our other simulation apps can be found on our website.